You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
Bro, okay, that's okay. We're just gonna forget about that. But what's good with y'all, man? You know what I'm saying? I know you ready for some more knowledge, bro. Some of y'all like, bro, okay, I fuck with the little sit down videos, but let's get to the charts. Like, I fuck with you, but I'm trying to get to this bread, and I fuck with you. I fuck with you for that because you're not for them games, bro. You're not here to just come on YouTube to be entertained. You know what I'm saying? Motherfuckers come on YouTube just to be entertained, then go back to fucking being a regular person, bro. No, we trying to level the fuck up, okay? So anybody that watched the Sniper series, this is for you. Okay, anybody that trade FIBs, this is for you. This is gonna help you know low probability trades versus high probability trades. This is gonna help you from not trading those janky setups. There's some people that trade every single FIB and that's why they're not winning, bro. You don't take every FIB. You don't. Now, I'm not saying that we're only taking winning trades because we're gonna lose. That's impossible to win every trade, but you have to pick and choose which ones you like. Especially with experience, you're gonna know the good ones and the bad ones. So I'm trying to just chop down the learning curve for you and tell you the good setups versus the bad. So we're gonna get to the charts and I'm gonna show you some scenarios that I would take and some scenarios that I will not take. So let's get to the charts. So in this situation, right? Say you missed this pullback, you missed this entry, but the market is trending up. You know what I'm saying? We got the 14 pushing up, the 50s pushing up, the 200s pushing up. Everything is checking out. It's looking really clean, right? And it broke some structure. It broke this high right here. We understand that market moves in waves, so we will start our FIB from right here and wait for the pullback. So let's do that. So we can set up our FIB, boom, and we wait. It's pulling back. It's looking beautiful, right? Looking absolutely beautiful. However, this is not something that I would take. I know you're probably like, what? Come on, bro. We got emails in favor. It broke this little recent high. Come on, bro. How would you not take this? And I won't take it just because of divergence. Divergence have saved me so much, bruh. And y'all should take it seriously. Comment below if y'all want me to do a whole video on divergence right now, bro. Please, if you want me to do a whole video on divergence, comment that below. If you don't want it, don't even say nothing. So in this situation, we have divergence right here, okay? Price and the RSI is not agreeing. If you see divergence at the top and it's not making sense, this means that it wants to reverse for a sell. So why would I take a Fibonacci buy when there's divergence going for a sell? I will not take this. I will not take this, okay? Some of y'all will take this and y'all be like, damn, how did I lose? It didn't even let me get out at the 38. It's because that trend was over. Divergence is for reversals, okay? The only time we want to see divergence is if it's in our favor. This wasn't in our favor. So do we take this setup? Absolutely not. If you want to take it still, that's on you, bro. It's not coming from me. When I see divergence going against me, I'm looking at another pair. Or I just want to be trading. So this situation, you got destroyed. You didn't even touch a 38. You'd have no chance of winning anything. It was a loser. So divergence is key, man. Like I said, if you want a divergent video, just comment that below and we're going to break it down on a deeper scale. So let's go to the next setup. This is a low probability setup right here. Just want to throw it out there. Low probability, you have a high chance of losing, okay? Let's go to the next setup. Okay. For my people that want to trade on Mondays, this is for you. Okay, this is for you. So let's replay. Let's replay, because you're gonna learn today. All right, so where is structure being broken? Is there structure being broken? You can count this as structure. This over here, you can count this, because the market has moved over the weekend, but since we are retail traders, we can't see this candle. We can't see this area. There is candles over here, but the broker won't let us see this, okay? There's movement. So since the market paused a little bit and broke above, this is structure. This is structure. So don't let this fool you. So you will start your fib from right here. And you wait until you get the golden zone. Now let's fast forward. At this point, the 50 is not our friend. I say this because price is about to blow past the 50 to get to our entry. My bad. Hold on, I messed that up. We're up here. It's still not our friend. The 50 is above our entry. So that means candles have to go below the 50 SMA to go up. That's a red flag, okay? That is low probability. You can win those trades, but most of the time when candles break through the 50, it wants to continue in that direction, okay? And if you notice one other thing, if price holds at the 14 EMA and don't want to break above, that's another red flag, okay? You might want to write that down. When price breaks below the 14 EMA and every time it tries to go up, it create wicks, that's a red flag, okay? That's a red flag. Now let's fast forward until it touches our entry. Okay, we should have got in right there. Should have got in right there. I don't know if they give us a second entry. I'm not sure. Okay, then give us a second entry. And oh, this is divergence in your favor. Let's let that be known right now. Nothing is 100%. Let's let that be known right now. Now, there's multiple things that's going to make me not get into this. One, we're holding below the 14 EMA for way too long. The 50 SMA is not in our favor in this trade. We have an engulfing bearish candle at the entry. We have a divergence that's in our favor, but it's still pushing down. Something ain't adding up. You know what I'm saying? It's a Monday, trap day. So should I take this trade and hope for the best on a Monday, or just wait till tomorrow? This is something that's going to come with experience, but me telling you, I don't like trading Mondays. I don't. GBP pairs is one of the worst pairs to trade on Mondays. If you're trading fibs, if you're trading completely reversals, do that. Mondays is kind of like, there is no trend. It's Monday. So if you're trading fibs on Monday, you're just throwing your money away. That's basically what you're doing. So I see an engulfing candle at our entry. It's holding below the 14. It just broke below the 50 SMA. We have some divergence, but we still have two things that's going against us, okay? Or three, since the 14, the 50, and the engulfing. So now we're getting even lower. At this point, we're breaking the low of candles. Come on now. At this point, you are hoping that you're going to win. Let's be real. You're hoping. You're not even like, oh, I'm not confident. If you're not confident, why are you trading? So at this point, I'm probably getting out. I'm going to take the little loss. My entries are right here, so it's a small loss. Let it go. But knowing y'all don't want to lose. So y'all going to let it just hit your stop loss. You're going to let it hit your stop loss. You're going to pray, and it didn't even hit your stop loss. You're still probably praying. You're still probably praying. Like, come on, bro. Please, bro. Come on. Oh, I think it just dipped down. Yep, I think it tapped you right there. I believe it just tapped you. Did it tap you? I'm not sure. Oh man. You was praying so hard. Cause if this didn't get you. You was like, oh yeah, this definitely about to go up. And then it came right below and got you. Because they know that people. First, let me just say this before I go to the next setup. When you see a massive move, it have to correct itself. So people that was in this buy will get destroyed if they try to hold it. For my swing traders out there, you're swinging this and you think it's going to keep going up and it gets close to your stop loss. Now you're like, damn, I was up. And now you're scared. So you pray that it don't get you, and the market will get you. So Mondays, trap days, it hold below the 14. It don't want to break above. The 50 SMA is not in our favor. No EMAs is in our favor right now. And it's an engulfing going against us at entry. Red flag, I'm not taking it, and it's a trap day. Absolutely not. Next setup. Let's go. Come on, bro. Load up. Oh, I'm about to say, I'm about to get pissed off. Okay. Make sure I'm recording. I'm gonna be tight if I'm not. All right. So let's replay. Boom. All right. So we got a little market structure break. It broke past this high, and we wait for the pullback. You know what I'm saying? We are at entry right now. Let's double click. What is the EMAs doing? We are expanding. Okay. It's bouncing off of the 14 EMA. Now, as you can see, we have two sets of divergences. What do we do? So let me draw it out for you. So we have a divergence at the top, and we have divergence at the bottom. So some of y'all probably have never seen a setup like this, but there's two sets of divergences. How is this possible? What are we going to do? Now, this is a 50-50 with you. This comes with experience. Do you take the chance and hop in a trade with a lower lot size, or you just don't take the trade at all? That's something that you're going to have to experience on your own. Because sometimes I won't take the setup and it'll take off. And sometimes I will take the setup. So if I see two sets of divergences going against me and in my favor, I don't know what's going to happen. You gotta put some type of clues together. What is the EMAs doing? Okay, we're on an uptrend. Okay, we're on an uptrend. We got a chance of going up. What moving average is at entry? Okay, we got the 14. Okay, this means we're on a strong trend. Okay, we have another chance of going up. We also have a chance of being a reversal because it have been pushing up for a while. So it's a gamble. This is a gamble trade. You don't know what's about to happen. So as we know, this trade played out, but it was a gamble. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I take this trade, it's not going to be the regular lot size. It's going to be a very low lot size because I'm not confident, because I'm seeing a lot of stuff that's going to make me question this. I don't ever want to question the setup. I want to be confident in every setup that I take. So this is like a 50-50 type of trade. This is like in between a low probability and a high probability. So I'm glad I found this, so y'all can understand that there will be divergences that's going against you and in your favor on one trade. And you have to choose what you want to do. If you win or lose, you can't be mad because this was a 50-50 trade. This wasn't a high probability trade, okay? So let's go to the next setup. Okay, so right here is a high probability trade. What you want to look for on high probability trades is support or resistance at entry. Some type of support or resistance at entry. And I'm not talking about moving averages, okay? I'm not talking moving averages. Matter of fact, we can take these moving averages off, okay? We're going to look for somewhere where it has bounced from or there is wicks from in that area. So since it broke structure, I ain't going to go in replay mode. Since it broke structure, we'll pull it back here. Where could there be a possible reversal area? So we have a rejection over here. We have some wicks down here. Oh my God. If I see this, I'm going to draw some type of like rectangle box over here. And let's continue to look left to see if this is even a key area. Okay, we have like this is not really a major area. This is kind of like a minor area, but you have to take into consideration because price went down here and then bounced straight up off of it. When it broke through, it had first of all, it had a major move down, then pushed up, then broke below. So this is two touches right here, and they have a little bit of wicks, but this is a rejection area. So if we see that it's breaking structure, we're going to want it to bounce from this area. Did candles break above this area? No, it didn't. it came above and then closed below, came above, closed below, came above, closed below. So I'm confident right here. I am confident. It touched the 62, didn't touch the 70. It is what it is, but there is resistance right here. So we have to take it with a grain of salt. Okay, take it with a grain of salt. And this is a high probability trade. And if you throw the moving averages on, come on, bro. You throw those on, you can have a little tighter stop loss. You can have your stop loss a little bit above the 200. You know what I'm saying? So when I see support or resistance at my entry, I'm confident. A moving average there or not, I'm confident. You know what I'm saying? Here go another setup that would trap people. Come on, bro. Stop playing. Okay, so we have a clean. I'm talking about clean. This is how they get you, man. This is how the market gets you, bro. You have a clean market structure break, right? I'm talking about clean. Pull up. Boom. We got 2 entries in. Boom. And we think we going for the home run. Guess what? You're not. You are not, bruh. You need to learn divergence. This will save you. This have saved me, okay? I used to take sales like this, and I didn't even have the RSI on or the divergence indicator on. And I used to feel like I'm about to win this with confidence. And the market don't care about no confidence. It don't care about anything. So you see this divergence, and it's going against you. You better get out as soon as possible. As soon as possible, okay? Because it destroyed you. It destroyed you very fast. It don't give you enough time. 30 minutes, you're done. So the main thing that I want to focus on with higher probability trades is there support and resistance at my entry? If there isn't, I don't care about it. You know what I'm saying? Like right here, here goes some more support and resistance. We have a bunch of wicks right here. Bunch of wicks. We can draw a box right here or something like that. You don't got to be that big, but you feel me? This is like a rejection area. Every time I come up here, it goes above, break below. Now I came back up. This is where your fib should start, up here. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of lining up. It went past the 70, but long as if it passes above this zone right here, you know you lost. So you have a chance to get out early, okay? So support and resistance at your golden zone is golden, okay? That's golden. All right. So that's all I have to say as far as high probability trades versus low probability trades. Low probability trades is going to have divergence. Okay, it's most likely going to have divergence, or it's going to hold the 14 EMA. High probability trade is going to have some type of support or resistance at entry, or a moving average at entry, or divergence in your favor. And that's just what it's going to be. You know what I'm saying? The low probability is going to have divergence against you. I hope I didn't mix those words up, but you get what I'm saying. Yeah, man, I hope you took some notes on this. Go back test it. See how many times divergence went against you and you lost. Go find losing trades. Don't always find winning trades. You learn more when you lose. So that's all I got to say. Peace and love. I'm out.